Hello students. Today we will start a new chapter, that is chapter 13, surface area and volumes. So what we will do in this chapter, we will find out areas and volumes of solid shapes, and those solid shapes are cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere and hemisphere. So, first of all, we will talk about cube. It is a solid three-dimensional geometric figure bounded by six planes, and each of these six faces are square. So, what is the total surface area of a cube? You know there are total six squares. So, total surface area of a cube will be 6a square. After that, curved surface area of a cube. Curved surface area of a cube will be 4a square, as we do not take the top and bottom area. After that, volume of a cube. So volume of a cube will be equal to a cube, because the area of base is a square and we multiply it by height. After that, cuboid will come. It is also a solid figure made up of six rectangular plane faces. So, what will be its total surface area? It will be equal to the areas of six rectangles, out of which two rectangles are identical. So the total surface area will be equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HS. In the same way, when we will take the lateral surface area, or the area of four walls only, then the area will be 2H into L plus B. After that, volume of a cuboid. So what is the base area of a cuboid? That is L into B, and when we multiply it with height, then the volume of cuboid will be L into B into H. After that, cylinder will come. So what will be the curved surface area of a cylinder? That is 2 pi r h, and when we include the top and base area, then the total area will be 2 pi r into r plus h. And after that, volume. So base area, that is pi r square, and we will multiply it with height. So its volume is pi r square h. After that, cone will come, and it is a surface generated by a straight line that moves along a closed curve while always passing through a fixed point. So what will be its curved surface area? That is pi r l, where l is length height, r is radius of base, and h is height. After that, total surface area of a cone, we will add base area, that is pi r square, into the curved surface area pi r l. So what we will get? We will get pi r into r plus l. Then volume of a cone. The volume of a cone is 1/3 volume of a cylinder with same radius. So its volume will be 1/3 pi r square h. After that, sphere will come, and you can see the examples of a sphere are laddu and bowl, and how it is formed when you rotate a semicircle or circle about its diameter, you will get sphere or hemisphere. So what is the surface area of a sphere? That is 4 pi r square. In it there is no total or no curved surface area. That is only 4 pi r square. Both areas are same. After that, volume of a sphere, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Then hemisphere will come if we cut a sphere along its diameter through the center, then you will get the shape of a hemisphere. So hemisphere's curved surface area is half of the area of sphere, that is 2 pi r square. And the total surface area of a hemisphere will be, we will add the area of a circle which comes in the base. The total area will be 3 pi r square. So that's all for this chapter introduction.